Hello class, I hope all of you are doing good. Class, now we'll continue with our studies. Okay, and we were doing English language in the previous video, but now we will do English literature and we'll start with the new chapter, which is chapter number 2, Always Late. Okay, earlier in English literature we did Brownie Bear and the Goldie Cat, which was about the healthy and unhealthy food items. So let's start chapter number 2, Always Late. So this is chapter number 2, Always Late. Okay, so we will do this chapter now. First of all, we will do the picture which is given on page number 21. Okay, you can see the picture over there. Okay, let's read. Isha did not hear the alarm ring in the morning. She is late for school. Help her to reach the school quickly. So here in this picture which is given in page number 21, there is a girl named Isha. Okay, so she is late for the school. Now we have to help her to get her to the school on time. She is already late for the school. So class, this is very easy and you can do this with your parents' help also. Okay, there are 2-3 paths through which she can reach her school. So you have to choose which path will help her to reach the school quickly. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 22. Okay, so we'll go through this picture. Okay, just look at this picture. Class, in this picture you can see there is a coach, a lady is there who is giving them swimming lessons. Okay, and there are 3 children who are in the pool. And you can see on the other side there are 2 kids, okay, a boy and a girl, who are coming with their father. You can see class, they are sweaty. Okay, you can see over here class, they are sweaty. You can see the sweat, white color dot dot. Okay, that is sweat. So they are sweaty. Okay, why they are sweaty? Because they are late for their swimming classes. Okay, so let's read from the word read. Okay, the word is given on the top left corner. Okay, R-E-A-D, read. So I'll start with the reading now. Read this story to find out how Mom helps Abby, A-B-B-Y, Abby, and James, J-A-M-E-S, James, to be on time. In this story, we will read that how Abby and James' mother helped them to be on time because they were late for their swimming lessons. Okay, that's why they were sweating. Okay, now let's read. Next line. Abby and James were always late for their swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming lessons. L-E-S-S-O-N-S, lessons. So Abby and James, those 2 kids, their names are Abby and James. The girl is Abby and the boy is James. So they were always late for their swimming lessons. Okay, now next line. You were late last week too, the coach said. Okay, so the lady over there who is wearing yellow pant, she is their coach, swimming coach. So what she say? She say that you were late previous week also, means last week also you were late, and this week also, and this time also you are late. Dad waved, W-A-V-E-D, waved his hand. How do you wave? Like this. Okay. Sorry, my watch is slow, he said. Who? The father of Abby and James. He said that his watch is slow, means his watch is not working properly and it is showing false time. That is how I got the time wrong. So that's why he didn't come to know the correct time. Okay. It will not happen next time. And his father and their father said that this will not be repeated. Okay. But it did happen. H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen next time. But what happened? They were again late. The next time also they were again late for their swimming classes. Okay. Or swimming lessons. This time they were really, R-E-A-L-L-Y, really late. And this time they were very, very late. Okay. Dad, we are always late, James said. So the James is saying that Dad, we are always late, means they are never on time for their swimming lessons. Sorry, my watch is old. What is the spelling of watch? W-A-T-C-H, watch. Okay, said Dad. So Dad, what he said? He said that his watch is old now. Okay, and it's not working properly. So, and he is being sorry for that. See how it is stuck on the wrong time. So the watch is stuck at a particular time. It's not moving now. Okay, the watch is not working also. It is stopped. After the lesson, Abby and James went to see Mum. So after the swimming lessons, where did Abby and James go? They go to meet their mum. Mum, how can we make Dad be on time? Abby said. So Abby asked to her mum that how can they make their dad be on time, because of their dad they are always late for their swimming classes. Okay, we are always late for our lessons, said James. So James said that they are always late for their swimming lessons. Now come to the next page, page number 23. Okay, first word we, W-E-V. Okay, we will buy Dad a new watch for his birthday, said Mum. How can he be late then? So Mum said that they are going to buy a new watch for their dad and then he will not be late. On his birthday, Dad opened, O-P-E-N-E-D, opened his present. This present is gift. Okay, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, present, and smiled. So on whose birthday? On the dad's birthday, the dad, he opened the present, he opened the gift. A new watch, he said. How nice. What the dad got as a gift? He got a new watch, and he was very happy to see that watch. He turned to Mom. How did you get the idea that I wanted a new watch? So the dad is asking to his wife, to Abby and James' mom, that how did you get an idea that I needed a new watch? Means, how did you come to know that I need a new watch? Mom hugged, Hugged. Hugged means like this. Okay, hugged him and laughed. Abby and James laughed too. So Mom, Abby and James, they all three were laughing. Next week, Abby and James were not late. So now the dad got a new watch. So next week, Abby and James, they were on time for their swimming lessons. Dad waved his new watch at the coach. So Dad showed his new watch to the coach. That is how to be on time. He laughed. So he laughed and said to the coach that is how I am on time. After the lesson, Abby and James jumped into Dad's old car. So after the lesson, Abby and James, they were going back to their home, and their dad, he had a old car. Okay, Dad tried to start the car, but it would not go. So now the dad was trying to start the car, but he was not able to start the car because it was very old. Okay, earlier the watch was old, so it was not working, and now the car is old, and now he was not able to start the car. Sorry, cried Dad. So again Dad was sorry for his old car. Earlier he was sorry for his old watch, and now he is sorry for his old car. Now we need to buy a new car. So now the dad is saying that they need a new car, because if they will not get a new car, they will be late for their swimming lessons. Okay, how they will come for the swimming lessons? By car only. So now they need a new car. So class, we should always be on time for our work or for any lessons or for our school. Okay, we should be punctual. I hope you have understood this chapter. So class, we will do few exercises of this chapter. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Okay, take care and thank you.